What's up, people? It's currently March 10th. We're looking at GC Monday, and yeah, hopefully we get some good movement today, and yeah, hopefully this is a good week. All right, so on the 15-minute, it looks like we're ranging, and we just hit these lows down here, so we might actually get a decent powered buy. Yeah, I might get a decent powered buy reverse. The first target would be here, but possibly we could aim for. There's no news today, so it's hard to say. All right, potential aggressive entry, but I don't want to risk it on the main account. We're gonna double trade this one. Bam. We'll check on the demo later, but yeah. All right, so the demo trade just lost. Gold is not tradable. We're not trading gold for the day. This looks horrible. So we're just gonna wait till 9:45 for ES1. Give it a go. What the hell? Okay, we lost. What? Alright, so let me explain the disaster that's about to unfold here. So basically in this instance, I took the trade and I'm like, why am I getting hit out? I had my 20 tick stop loss and I was going for, I think, like 80 or 60, something like a 1 to 3. Either way, I'm like, why do I keep instantly getting hit out? Because I bad tested this end. It should be working. So that's why I keep repeatedly entering, because I'm like, it just doesn't. I was just so confused because it kept going up after I hopped out. So then I'm like, what? I'm like I thought if I entered again, I'm like, okay, it's finally gonna actually go up now. But the issue here was that, first of all, I should have waited for an opposite color pullback, which means in this case red candles. I didn't see any red candles, but I jumped the gun because I thought the volume was high. And then second of all, my stop loss was too small because the candles were so volatile, and the reason it was so volatile is because I was entering the trade in the wrong direction. I needed to wait for the pullback. And then lastly, what I'm learning with ES is that you really gotta wait for the last 5 seconds of these candle close, because these candles be moving like 30-20 pips just when they're forming. So a 20 tick stop loss is very dangerous in this type of market. And I'm realizing that, like, when I was back testing it, I wasn't seeing the candle movement. So because you can't really back test with the Higurashi candles, so I was just seeing like the solid candles after they were formed. So what I'm learning is you have to wait for the very end of the candle to be formed before you enter. And honestly, just going with a bigger stop loss, which is why, well, the me of today speaking this is currently moved over to MES, because yeah, the stop loss for ES is just way too small. But that's what I had to learn the hard way. Learning a lot of things, but yeah, it just keeps hitting me out. What is that, bro? The stop loss is too small now. Like, damn, it's choppy. What the? Like, what? It just kept hitting me out. Okay, it looks like we gotta do okay. For the setup to work, we gotta go bigger, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I shouldn't have took the third trade, but come on, man. This chart did me dirty here. So dirty. Nasty ass ES1. Freaking dirty dog.